It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 GMC Acadia AT4. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Acadia. Driver's door has power door locks, the programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, power windows, power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage, the hands-free power programmable lift gate where we're able to set the opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off. You'll notice this Acadia also comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the power tilt and telescopic steering wheel button, the electric park brake, lighting controls, head-up display and information tab, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a jet black interior with Kalahari liner, and overhead a power sunroof. Next I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and on the right side are the audio controls and Bluetooth command. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Overhead, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, some lighting buttons, OnStar, and a place to store your sunglasses. This is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with wireless Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation. Those shortcut buttons are down below. And this screen also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. HD surround vision down below, so we're able to change the camera view by simply pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. The hard buttons for our infotainment screen are down below. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, electronic precision shifting, USB ports and power plug-in, wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Auto stop start, traction control, hazard lights, park assist, dual cup holders, heated and ventilated front leather seats, hill descent control, lane departure alert, 2-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, sport mode, and off-road mode. At the front of the Acadia, we have fog lights. In that grille insert is our front camera for the HD surround vision system. 17-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal indicator. AT4 hard badging down the side, black roof rails up top, 4 full-size doors, rear tinted windows, keyless entry, remote start, and as we make our way to the back, the rear window wiper, dual exhaust, and the power lift gate. I'm going to use the key fob, push that button twice to pop the lift gate open with ease. In the trunk, we have a cargo mat, cargo hooks, a power plug-in with seat releases to fold those third row seats down, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 6-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, a cup holder, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, the rear climate control buttons, heated second row seats, USB ports, and a power plug-in. At the very bottom, dual cup holders and a storage compartment. All-weather floor mats on the floor, a sunroof overhead, bucket seats in the second row. To gain access to the third row, take the center aisle or pull the seat release on the top of the seat to engage the slide technology. In the third row, there are 2 additional seats with cup holders on both sides, along with a USB plug-in. So come take a look at the 2022 GMC Acadia AT4, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.